Hi, this is Neha Gupta, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to be more productive by using your smartphone and also how to be more smarter.
We find music.
Now, I'm a person who generally likes to read book not just for reading it, but actually to develop that what are the methods and tactics the particular author has given about, and generally jot them down somewhere and to apply that in my daily life. Why I'm suggesting you to invest in personal development, because I think investing time and energy in personal development will help you not only to connect to your inner genius, but it will explore your hidden potentials. You will know the true nature of yourself, and generally your talents and many other things. Many other things. Well, the basic concept which I am talking about is when you know more, you can achieve more. So, generally, personally, I use audiobooks initially to discover different books. But the problem of audiobooks is that it generally takes 14 to 20 hours. Now, today I'm going to tell you about something which can actually save your time, save your money. Most of us spend a lot of time doing house cooking, gym, restaurant, in a metro station, and all this time, because if you're a person who wants to utilize every piece of your time, then I think you should go for this app. I use this particular app to actually narrow down or to filter out the particular books which I really wanted to buy. This saves my lot of money on spending on the crappy books which I generally don't want to buy. Let's just talk about some of the major advantages of using this Blinkist app. Major key nuggets, major learning, and condense them into the 10 blinks. That's why we call it a blink list, and it provides all the information, the theories and the wisdom which the author have used, and the basic concept. It will also give you a short demonstration about how to use this app, and the interface is really quite simple and less distracting. Okay, I will give you a very simple tour. This is how the apps look like on Android. The app is free to download on Google Play Store, and on opening you will get 3 tabs: Home, Explore, and Library. So let's talk first about the home page. This is the free set of blinks which you get. On clicking here, you will be redirected towards this page where you can read your blinks and you can play your blinks. By clicking this headphone button, you can directly be able to listen to your blinks. And the pretty cool feature which I really like about it is you can change the speed of the audio. Like it can be a 1.5 times higher, but I generally like to listen on 1x speed. So this is a really cool thing about it. And the another thing is that you can also read the blinks. Now, before starting your reading or listening to the particular blinks, you can read about that what really the book is all about, and it will give you a context. So if you're a person who really loves reading about economics, so you can get to know that this book is all about, you will be interested in that book definitely. And if you're a person who really not love reading about economics, then you can ignore it. And other than that, you can also give feedback here to the Blinkist team. Apart from that, you can also, by clicking on this you're clicking on this hardship, you can favorite it. Apart from it, from here you can direct it to your Amazon buying page. Other than that, you can also, if you really like this book, you can suggest it to your friend. So another thing is, by clicking on this outline section, you can get a table of content. So in this book, they have 10 blinks. If you want to jump directly to the 5th blink, for example, you can click on this particular 5th option and you can be directed towards the 5th blink. So for example, if you like a particular blink very much, so from here you can actually, by clicking on this, you can copy paste this particular
you can actually highlight it in the highlight section. You can share it, you can actually copy it to your clipboard, or maybe on any other status like WhatsApp status, etc. If you like to, you can jot them down somewhere. I found it really interesting that apart from listening the blinks, when you have time, you can also read the blinks, and you can copy the particular piece of information from here and paste it anywhere. So, and the final summary, the last blink is always about the key message which you can take home about the book. So in the home page, after your daily free book, they have this section called as For You, where they provide you some of the curation of books for you which they think that you like. And other than that, you have the section called audiobooks. For example, these audiobooks called Great by Choice. For example, this audiobooks is actually 8 hours and 45 minutes long. So it's up to you whether you want to listen about the blinks, whether you want to listen the whole audiobook. But this particular thing you can only get to know on the paid version, which we will later talk about. Okay, this is the trending section. This trending section is about that what are the books which are really trending across the world and which people are liking. So for example, this book called Full Catastrophic Living, I have just read this tomorrow. They have given me this in my free blink, so this is really interesting book. The Blinkist team actually add 30 to 40 books per month. So in this new section, they will provide you so that you can never go out of your interest. And I mean 30 to 40 books per month is a pretty good number. Okay, so the home page is done. So after clicking on this explore section, this is the page where you can explore new titles. So if you are a person who is new on this app, and for example you exactly know what you want to read about, for example I want to read about productivity, so I will click on this productivity app, and from here you will get infinite number of books on productivity. This is just going on. So let's come. This is one of the most highly recommended self-help books, and the Blinkist team has given 13 blinks for it. You really don't need to read each and every context of it. And if you want, you can actually use this app as a supplement if you really think that you wanted to read the entire book in physical form. Why I am emphasizing much more on the free version is because you can get daily one book, and you have much more time to absorb the information and to apply them in your daily life. And what's the point of reading 10 books per day in the paid version and actually you are doing nothing about it? So there are many people out there who get the fantastic information, but nothing ever really changes because they never do the practice. The other thing which I really wanted to draw your attention is that Blinkist team provide you number of different categories what you wanted to read depending upon your mood. For example, sometime I really wanted to read about mindfulness. On the other hand, sometime I really wanted to read about management and leadership. So depending upon your personal choice, you can actually solution whatever you wanted to read about: history, geography, economics, leadership, entrepreneurship, relationship, parenting. Then you can have this these are, I think, some kind of a podcast thing which you will get when you have the paid version. So let's move on to the another thing with library. Here okay, let's talk also about some money thing. So when you get the paid version, here in this library section you can explore multiple things. The first thing is you can create your personalized tags. So you can organize your library here by actually creating tags so that you will never forget about the ideas which you have actually highlighted. Other than that, here you can create your personalized highlighting in the specific blink. So when you read the blinks, you can highlight them and store here. The third thing is this favorite part, when you can also get this in your free version. So when you really like some book and you really wanted to tag it, here you can actually tag the book. And then we'll move on to another thing. The another feature is here, so that your book is never lost. So if you really add your books here in the paid version, you can arrange them in alphabetical order, or you can also arrange them in open. For example, there are books which you have just opened, or maybe there are books which you are in the middle of reading it. So, or maybe there are books which you have just added. So the first added books will be on the upper side and the last added books will be on the lower side. Other than that, here you can actually filter them down. So on the basis of these, like in progress, not started, or the downloaded. Here you can also tag your audiobooks and place them here. Here you can actually store your episodes. So they also provide you some episodes on the episode. You can call them episode, I call them podcast in the paid version. So this is all about the library. So here again becomes on the so on the home page, after clicking on this particular settings button, you will be redirected towards this page where you can select your language. So this particular app has two languages, English and German, because this Brinklist community, I think it is the startup is based in Germany, I think Berlin. So that's why. Another good feature is that you can actually sync this with Evernote. Okay, let's talk about some money thing. From here you can actually upgrade your account. If you take your yearly plan, it will cost you around 250 rupees something per month. You can also take your 7 days free trial. I haven't taken it yet because I really like my one pick per day kind of free version.
Yes, I mean Blinklist offer you access to ideas and knowledge of 1,000 really smart people out there. I mean, a book is a thing where you can find solutions to your life. And for a person who really love reading about relationship, about leadership, about mindfulness, this is a place for you. I really think that this app has helped me way more productive than usually I am. So hopefully you find it just as helpful.